plastic water lines are used in a house, except for 10 feet of copper in the ground at the service entrance. Bonding the pump motor to this copper is not required. The reason for this is the limited amount of copper pipe in contact with the earth. The primary purpose of bonding metal water piping systems is to provide a low impedance path for fault current back to the source, reducing the risk of electric shock. When a substantial length of metal water pipe is present, it can become energized due to a fault in electrical equipment. Bonding ensures that the metal pipe is at the same electrical potential as other grounded metal parts, minimizing the voltage difference and preventing shocks. However, with only 10 feet of copper pipe underground, its ability to serve as an effective grounding electrode is limited. The plastic water lines further isolate the plumbing system from ground. In this situation, the pump motor should be grounded through its electrical supply circuit. Grounding the pump motor involves connecting the motor frame to the electrical system's grounding conductor, which provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source. This path helps to quickly trip the circuit breaker or fuse, de-energizing the circuit and preventing electrical hazards. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides specific requirements for grounding and bonding electrical equipment. While the NEC generally requires bonding of metal water piping systems, the exception applies when the piping system is interrupted by non-conductive materials, such as plastic. In such cases, the limited amount of metal piping does not present a significant shock hazard, and bonding is not necessary. It is important to note that local electrical codes may have additional requirements or interpretations. It is always advisable to consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and regulations. They can assess the specific situation and provide guidance on the appropriate grounding and bonding methods. To summarize, because of the plastic water lines and limited amount of copper pipe in the ground, bonding the pump motor to the copper pipe is not required. The pump motor should be grounded through its electrical supply circuit. Always consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector for specific guidance on grounding and bonding requirements.